How to replace an NBC drive pulley. Items required. 2 maintenance personnel are required for this operation. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off the air to the take-up unit. Remove the bottom guard on the take-up unit. Use a ratchet strap to secure the gear motor. Loosen the 6 bolts holding the gear motor. Remove all 6 bolts and lower the gear motor out of position. 2 people are required for this operation. Loosen and remove all hardware holding the pulley in place. Use 2 screwdrivers to pry the pulley loose. Note the pulley orientation before you remove it. Inspect motor for vent plug. If found, remove the vent plug. Install the new pulley. Use blue Loctite 243 on the set screws. Torque the set screws to 94 inch-pounds. Note: make sure the new pulley is installed in the same orientation as the old pulley. Remove the belt guard and idler pulley. These items are removed for access to the upper bolts that are holding the gear motor in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the snap ring holding the idler wheel in place. Use 2 people to reinstall the gear motor. Install all hardware before tightening. Reinstall the belt guard and idler pulley. Turn on the air to the take-up unit. Reinstall the bottom guard on the take-up unit. For more MHS conveyor videos, visit mhs-conveyor.com.